Okay, I think I found the issue, and I think it's something that's on me. It's a user interface error. I think that I did something wrong. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go into Bambu Studio and show you that I only have two printers there. I have the P1S and the X1C. So I can select remove. Notice how nothing else is selected on these ones, okay? Just those two. Now, if I go into where I downloaded the 3D model and I go into Open in Bambu Studio, it pulls it up, opens in Bambu Studio, and now look what it's done. It's added the A1 Mini. Okay, it still has those other ones. If I go to select or remove presets, the A1 Mini is not selected at all. I think what happened was I didn't realize that it was changing that, and then I tried to print it off of using that printer profile, and that's what caused the issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try printing it again. My X1C is working. I got that going again. The P1S is having a problem. It bent the hot end on that and is having issues, and so I'm going to have to replace that stuff. And I'm still waiting. I sent this off on Friday, and I'm still waiting. It's Wednesday right now. I'm still waiting for Bambu Lab to get back with me, but I think this is the issue, and I think it was a user interface error. So I'm going to now try it again, try to print these, but this time using the correct printer settings, and hopefully that will help solve it. So I'm going to change this down to the X1C, and then I'm going to hit right here. It's asking me transfer it. Yeah, I'm going to tell it to go ahead and transfer it over, and notice how it changes that, and then I'm going to slice the plate. And I think that that was my problem before, was that I sliced it using the other printer. And so I'm going to plug this in and hope I don't destroy my X1C. Let's see what happens. Okay, that was it. When I brought in the 3D model, it brought in printer profiles for a printer I don't even have. And so it changed things, and that was the problem. I bent things back, got things working again. And then, yeah, it printed this on the X1C and printed this on the P1S. So they're both working. We got them back going again. But if that was a problem, if you're having that same issue, make sure that when you slice the plate, it's slicing for a printer that you actually have and the printer that you're going to be printing on. Anyway, that was it. I'm glad. Thank you for those people in the comments who were supportive and helped me kind of figure out what was going on. Thank you. I appreciate it. Take care.